Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily print from Google Drive on your Canon TS8351a. So first, what we want to do is we go over to the Canon Cloud Printing Center. So the site is cs.c-ij.com. Now after that, we need to go over to Google Drive, and here, if you do not have an account linked, then the tutorial on our channel on how to link the Google Drive account to your Canon account. Now let's click print, and here let's either select my drive or share it with me. And now, as you guys can see, I've got some spreadsheets here, so let me select this one. And here we can change the amount of copies, the paper size, and here we can also change the layout, so 2:1 or 4:1. We can change the zoom to same size or fit to page, and we can select either one-sided or two-sided. And as the last one, select if you want it colored or you want it in black and white. So after you set it all up, then simply click print, and it should start printing through your printer. I don't have ink right now, so I cannot show it to you guys, but I know for a fact that it works because I've tested it while I had the ink. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.